Today is Monday, 21st of December 2020, and I'll be having the first dose of my Covid-19 vaccination. I thought it'd be really useful to do a video diary just to showcase what happens when I have my vaccination.
Dr. Koyas Ahmed is using social media to educate his patients about the benefits of vaccinating against Covid-19. He's a GP and urgent care doctor with the UK's emergency 111 health service and works nights and weekends dealing with the worried sick on the phone, via video and in person. Most calls are virus-related. He wants to try and negate some of the myths and misinformation that can be found online.
I didn't feel a thing, so that's good. Thank you.
Dr. Ahmed's a part of a team that covers 1 million people in Bristol in southwest England. I first met him virtually when he posted this photo on social media at 2 a.m. after working for 9 days straight. He was happy to share his reality with me.
On a personal level, I've had people who are relatively close to me who've passed away with coronavirus, so I see it on a first-hand basis. And perhaps those who don't see it firsthand maybe not appreciate the extent of the situation. But unfortunately, I see it on social media. There's a lot of misinformation, so many myths, a lot of people who are kind of anti-vaccination, anti-COVID, anti-lockdown, etc. And I feel like maybe they're not fully understanding the situation. So I wanted to get hopefully the truth out there and the correct word out there.
How are you finding it? How are you coping?
It's difficult and it's challenging, and I know a lot of people are finding it really stressful and really upsetting as well. But we're here to provide a service. It's our duty to make sure we look after others. So we're just kind of plodding through as best as we can.
Are you frightened at all? Are you frightened of catching it? Are you frightened of taking it home to your family?
My parents live with us. We have a multi-generational, typical kind of Asian household. And so I'm more worried about taking it home to my family rather than myself. Hopefully, if I were to contract it, fingers crossed, I might be okay. I don't know for sure.
The UK's National Health Service says the number of calls to the 111 service has nearly trebled during the pandemic. Dr. Ahmed says his team has seen this increase and that coronavirus patients are noticeably more unwell. He hopes his postings will encourage people to respect the virus and take the vaccine. Nicola Hill, TRT World, London.